Hello everyone, today is the 22nd of January 2020. Chinese New Year is coming, so we're gonna write Happy New Year in Chinese. But first of all, a lot of Chinese families will write these characters called Fu, means good fortune and blessing. We normally write like this. Let's start from this character. Little dot, kind of like little dot. Then the second one, like this. We'll write it again. The third one, little stick. Then another little dot. Okay. Next, we can divide this character to be two parts, the left and the right. Now we're going to the right. Stroke. Then the next looks like a little square, kind of like this. The last bit, this one looks like a window. Shall we call it a window? Yes. The last window is bigger than the little window. Then we're gonna divide it like this. This also means fields in China. This square with a cross also means fields. Okay, that's we finished. But Chinese New Year time, if you happen to be in China, a lot of Chinese families, you can see it like this. Will be upside down, or sometimes in a red background, because Chinese people, we think red means happiness, lucky. Okay, because upside down in China also means is coming. So blessing upside down also means blessing is coming. So that's why everybody, good fortune is coming. Everybody like to hang this up upside down. Now let's write it again. For Year of the Rat 2020, good blessing. Wish you a Happy New Year. First one, the second one, then a little stick, kind of in the middle, little dots, but not too long. Then a little window, then a bigger window, in the middle a cross. Looks lovely, isn't it? Looks beautiful. Let's write in pencil. I'll write it slower than this. Let's write it together. Little dot. This is one stroke, kind of. Okay. The sharp pen on the left. A longer one, a little window, a bigger window with a cross inside. Brilliant. Good fortune, blessing. Fu, fu. The next one we're going to write Happy New Year. But in Chinese is new first, then year, then happy. Happy also means nice. So new is 新, 新, year is 年, 年. Good or nice is 好, 好. Let's write this first. 新 again is another little dot. Still divided this character two parts, left part and right part. We're going to start from the left part. Second one, not too long a stroke. Then two little dots kind of towards the middle. Then the next one, kind of a similar length to the stroke, the second stroke, and the first one similar, or can be slightly longer. Next, the next one is shorter than the middle one. Then this bit, little tick, say a little tick there. Then looks like two little arms flapping around, like the little chicks, two little wings, shall I say. Now we come to this part. This one goes down, kind of sharp, like this. Quite long, the second one. Third one, new, 新. Let's write again. First one, kind of goes towards in the middle. Two little wings flapping about. Okay, bit difficult. But after write about 50 times, I'm sure you can remember. Let's write again in pencil, shall we? Oh, don't have enough room. Move up a bit. The first one, little dot. To the middle. Two little wings. Okay. That's the most difficult one, I would think. Let's write yeah. 年 yeah, 年. I would like to think start from here. The first one, like that, slightly toward the left. Longer than this one, a stroke. Then the second stroke, kind of like being sandwiched in the middle. Okay, so this one just a little shorter bar, not very long. Okay, the next one is the longest, like that. So this bar at the bottom is longer than in the middle, is longer than the one on the top. The last one is in the middle, a little stick. This means yeah. 年 goes up. 年. Let's write again. This is easier, isn't it? 行. I'm writing in pencil again. Nian, yeah. Then the last one, we can also see the last one very popular because hello in Chinese have this one. 好 means nice and good. This one comes from here, left and right, divided into two parts. Kind of like a little girl cross legs sitting there, because this left part also means women, female. Comes down. Okay, then the next one. Just like cross legs, isn't it? A cross. But not very stiff. Have flexibility. This one means girl or women. So, next one. It's difficult. Kind of like a sharp cross, comes down, little tick. Okay. This means children, child, son or daughter. So, divided this women, son and daughter, children. Okay. Let's write this again. So the first one comes down. Okay. So do it again. Next one, cross leg, but not very stiff. Then how? These are the most tricky bits. Do. Little tick. The last bit, kind of in the middle of that. Kind of. How? Let's write this again. Good blessings, everyone. Happy Chinese New Year. It's this Friday, 25th, New Year's Eve. Good fortune, blessing, full. Remember, the upside down means good blessing is coming. Then, New Year, Happy New Year. 新年好。新年好. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.